Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Online Study. In this video we will discuss some very important questions and facts of polity. Let's start. Chapter 1. Constitutional Development, Nature and Sources of Constitution. Question 1. Which is the highest law of the land in India? Answer. Indian Constitution. Question 2. The Constitution of India was framed by? Answer. Constituent Assembly. Question 3. The Indian Constitution was adopted on? Answer. The 26th of November 1949. Question 4. The Indian Constitution came into force on? Answer. The 26th of January 1950. Question 5. January 26th selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution because? Answer. The Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. Question 6. Constitution Day of India is celebrated on which day? Answer. The 26th of November. Question 7. The original Constitution of India was published in? Answer. Dehradun. Question 8. The Constitution of which country is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world? Answer. India. Question 9. First country to make constitution was? Answer. United States of America. Question 10. The original 1950 Constitution of India is preserved in? Answer. Parliament House. Question 11. The drafting committee wrote the Indian Constitution in which language? Answer. English, later on translated into Hindi. Question 12. What does the wheel in the national flag represent? Answer. Truth. Question 13. In the national flag of India, Ashoka Chakra has how many spoked wheel? Answer. 24. Question 14. Who was the first Minister of Finance in independent India? Answer. R.K. Shanmugham Chetty. Question 15. Which article came into force on the 26th of November 1949, the day the Indian Constitution was adopted? Answer. Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392, and 393. Question 16. When did India become a complete sovereign democratic republic? Answer. The 26th of November 1949. Question 17. Which country has a non-written constitution? Answer. United Kingdom. Question 18. A unitary form of government is that in which all the powers are concentrated in the hands of? Answer. Central government. Question 19. Bicameral system is a feature of which type of government? Answer. Federal system. Question 20. The division of power and independence of judiciary are two important features of? Answer. Federal character of government. Question 21. The serious fault in federal form of government is? Answer. The threat of separatism. Question 22. Which form of government has the feature of dual citizenship? Answer. Federal government. Question 23. The advantage of unitary system of governance is? Answer. Strong state. Question 24. In which of the form, composite India has been described in the Constitution? Answer. A union state. Question 25. What is the basis of classification of governments as unitary and federal? Answer. Relationship between the center and states. Question 26. Indian Constitution is? Answer. Quasi-federal. Question 27. Democratic socialism aims at what? Answer. Bringing about socialism through democratic means. Question 28. Which judgment stated that secularism and federalism are the basic features of the Indian Constitution? Answer. S.R. Bommai case. Question 29. Which elements are necessary for a democratic system? Answer. Free and unbiased election, equality of opportunity, protection of rights. Question 30. The declaration that democracy is a government of the people, by the people, for the people, was made by whom? Answer. Abraham Lincoln. Question 31. The presidential government operates on the principles of? Answer. Separation of powers. Question 32. In federal government the states enjoy? Answer. Powers given by the Constitution. Question 33. The most important feature of cabinet system of government is? Answer. Collective responsibility. Question 34. In presidential government, the president is? Answer. Independent of the legislature. Question 35. Members of the executive under presidential system of government. Answer. Are not members of either house of legislature. Question 36. Persons may change but rules should not change is the principle of? Answer. Constitutional government. Question 37. A federal structure for India was first put forward by which act? Answer. Act of 1935. Question 38. A big difference is there in between principle and behavior in which form of government? Answer. Parliamentary form of government. Question 39. When was the first Central Legislative Assembly constituted? Answer. In 1921 by Government of India Act 1919. Question 40. Who was the first Indian President of Central Legislature? Answer. Vithalbhai Patel. Question 41. Local governance is the foundation of? Answer. Democracy. Question 42. Sovereign parliament is a contribution of which country? Answer. England. Question 43. Indian federalism is closer to? Answer. Canada. Question 44. The President of India has the same constitution powers which dash have? Answer. British Crown. Question 45. The system of budget was introduced in India during whose viceroyalty? Answer. Lord Canning. Question 46. The Parliament of India has passed the Environment Conservation Bill in which year? Answer. 1986. Question 47. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Answer. Representative. Question 48. Where do we find the ideals of Indian democracy in the Constitution? Answer. The Preamble. Question 49. The method of amending the Constitution by popular veto is found in which country? Answer. Switzerland. Question 50. Universal adult franchise shows that India is a country which is? Answer. Democratic. Question 51. The Westminster parliamentary system was developed in which country? Answer. United Kingdom. Question 52. Which act suggested the post of Controller and Auditor General in India? Answer. Government of India Act 1919. Question 53. Who proposed the suggestion for a Constituent Assembly first in 1935? Answer. M. N. Roy. Question 54. The Constituent Assembly was set up in which year? Answer. 1946. Took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to frame the Constitution. Question 55. The Constituent Assembly of India was constituted on the scheme of? Answer. Cabinet Mission 1946. Question 56. Who presided over the first meeting of Indian Constituent Assembly? Answer. Satchidananda Sinha. Question 57. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question 58. The Constituent Assembly which enacted the Constitution of India, its members were? Answer. Elected by the Legislative Assembly of different provinces. Question 59. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly at the time of the drafting of the Constitution? Answer. B. N. Rao. Question 60. How many members were in the Interim Parliament of India? Answer. 296. Question 61. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Question 62. Who was the chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer. J. B. Kripalani. Question 63. Objective resolution was moved in Constituent Assembly by whom? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 64. The national anthem was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on which day? Answer. The 24th of January 1950. Question 65. Who described the Indian Constitution as quasi-federal? Answer. K.C. Weir. Note. Initially, the Constitution of India contained 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules which were comprised of approximately 80,000 words in its English language version. At present, Constitution contains 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules comprising of approximately 17,000 words in its English version. Some important forms of government are: first, presidential system means separation of powers between executive and legislature. Second, parliamentary system means close relationship between executive and legislature and also executive is accountable to legislature. Third, federal system means division of powers between center and states governments. Fourth, unitary system means concentration of power in hands of central government. Features of Indian Constitution taken from different constitution of the world. From Government of India Act 1935. First, Federal Scheme. Second, Office of Governor. Third, Public Service Commission. From United States of America Constitution. First, Judicial Review. Second, Fundamental Rights. Third, Independent Judiciary. Fourth, Impeachment Procedure of President. Fifth, Vice President acting as the Chairman of the Upper House. Sixth, Removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges. From British Constitution. First, Parliamentary form of government. Second, Single citizenship. Third, Cabinet system. Fourth, Legislative procedure. Fifth, Bicameralism, 2 houses, Upper House, Rajya Sabha, and Lower House, Lok Sabha. From Irish Constitution, Ireland. First, Directive Principles of State Policy. Second, Nomination of members to the Upper House. Third, Method to elect the President. From Canadian Constitution. First, Residuary powers with the Centre. Second, Federation with a strong Centre. Third, Appointment of State Governor by the Central Government. Fourth, Advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. From South African Constitution. First, Amendment procedure of the Constitution. Second, Method of election for the members of the Upper House. From USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. First, Fundamentals duties. Second, Ideal of justice, social, economical and political. From Constitution of France. First, Republic. Second, Ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble. From Weimar Constitution, Germany. First, Suspension of fundamental rights during national emergency. From Australian Constitution. First, Concurrent list. Second, Joint sitting of both the houses of the Parliament. Watch this video 2 to 3 times so that you can memorize these questions and facts. PDF download link is available in description. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.